Hello students, it's me Vivek sir, and today we are going to study the type of reaction on the basis of heat. Children, in this video we are going to study the type of reaction and also solve the questions on the basis of this. Clear? In earlier video children, I had explained the type of reaction on the basis of product formed, and this is a new type of reactions on the basis of heat. Clear? See, on the basis of heat children, there are two type of reaction. The first is exothermic and second is endothermic. See, what is exothermic? Those reaction in which heat is produced, heat is evolved along with the product, that is called exothermic. Any reaction, clear children? Any reaction in which heat is produced along with the product, that will be exothermic reaction. And heat is represented by delta, heat energy or heat. For example, combustion of carbon. When carbon combusts, it forms carbon dioxide along with heat. So this is called exothermic reaction. See, combustion of methane. The combustion of methane produces the product carbon dioxide, water plus heat. So there is also producing heat children. So this will be exothermic reaction. Please note in your copy children, most combination reaction are exothermic children. Mostly combination children. Clear? Not all combination reaction are exothermic, because some of the combination are endothermic also. So most combination reaction are exothermic because it involves the formation of new bond, and this process release large amount of energy in the form of heat. Clear children? For example, let us take an example to understand this. Suppose this is calcium and this is oxygen. Clear children? When calcium burns in air, it forms calcium oxide. So there is a covalent bond act between this molecule. When calcium attack on these molecules, it forms calcium oxide, and there ionic bond involved in this. Clear children? There is a ionic bond. So combination reaction involves the formation of new bond. There is a covalent bond, new bond, and this release amount of energy. Clear children? Easy. Now second example. Suppose this is a zinc and hydrochloric acid. We take a beaker and fill with 100 or 50 ml of dilute HCl. Pour some zinc granules in this children. After a while, we observe that a large amount of gas is diffusing in the form of heat. So this is also called exothermic reaction. Easy children? Let us take another example. Suppose children, if when calcium oxide, clear children, dissolve in water, it forms calcium hydroxide along with heat. So this is a combination reaction because two reactant form a single product along with the heat energy. So this will be also called combination reaction. Combination reaction, exothermic. Easy children? Now endothermic reaction. Those reactions in which heat is absorbed, please underline this children, absorbed, there is absorbing of heat. Those reactions in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Clear? For example, see this example children. When nitrogen gas combined with oxygen gas, it does not form product, because unless it absorbs the heat energy, after that it will produce product. So there is a absorbing of heat energy before making the product. So those reaction in which heat is absorbed, that will be endothermic reaction. Note children in your copy, decomposition reaction are usually endothermic reaction. Please note in your copy, all decomposition reaction are usually endothermic reaction because they involve breaking of bond, and breaking of bond requires input of energy while forming bond release energy. See children, I would like to remind you, in previous lecture I have explained photolytic decomposition reaction, electrolytic decomposition reaction and thermal decomposition reaction. These decomposition reactions are divided on the basis of a source produced, that is heat, light or electric current. So breaking bond requires input of energy. In order to break it into the product, it requires energy. If it is in the form of heat, that will be thermal decomposition reaction. If there is a light, that will be photochemical decomposition reaction. If there is electric current, that will be electrolytic decomposition reaction. So all decomposition reaction are endothermic reaction because they require breaking of bond requires input of energy. Easy children? Because when ferrous sulfate decompose, unless it absorbs the heat, this heat energy will break the bond which is present in ferrous sulfate and form the product Fe2O3 SO2 SO3. Now children, let us take an example to understand this topic. This question: why respiration considered as exothermic reaction? See children, the question is asked, why respiration is exothermic reaction, not endothermic reaction. So try to understand this diagram. This diagram states that when we take food inside in our body, each food contains carbohydrates. Clear children? So after chewing, the food get broken down into the simpler substance, means small pieces, and converted into the glucose. After that, it combines with oxygen, and this oxygen present in the cell. So when glucose combine with oxygen, it forms CO2 H2O plus heat energy. So there is a producing of energy, that is why it is called exothermic reaction. So how can we write the answer? See, during digestion, food is broken down into simpler substance. For example, rice, potato, bread, etc. contain carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. Children, underline this point. This glucose combine with oxygen in the cell of our body and provide energy. So there is a producing of energy body, that is why respiration considered as a exothermic reaction. We can write the chemical equation like that. This is glucose. This is the formula of glucose, children. C6H12O6. When it combines with oxygen, 6 oxygen, it gives 6 number of carbon dioxide, 6 mole of carbon dioxide plus 6 mole of water plus energy. Easy children? Let us take another example. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following and identify the type of reaction in each case. Clear children? There are two questions asked in this: balance and type of reaction. So let us try to find out, children. See, I am going to solve and try to learn this, how I am going to solve this question. Hydrogen, here is given G, chlorine given G, hydrogen are given G, means all reactant and product their state are gas state. Hydrogen, I have told you, are found in diatomic molecule, plus chlorine gas, Cl2, children. it forms hydrogen chloride. See children, hydrogen chloride means the combination of H plus and chloride means minus, so HCl. Easy children, how can we make the product? Hydrogen plus charge and chloride Cl minus charge. Positive charge attract negative charge, it forms HCl from gas. Now this is given in word equation and we have already converted into the chemical equation. Now balance it. There is a 2 hydrogen, there is 2 chlorine, there is a 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. Multiply by 2 on product. See children, after that we will see there is a 2 number of hydrogen, 2 number of hydrogen, 2 number of chlorine, 2 number of chlorine. Now first question is solve balance. Now we have to find out the type of reaction. See children, 2 reactant, a single product. And I have told you those reactions in which 2 or more reactant combines to give a single product, that will be combination reaction. Easy children? Any problem? Now second example, we have solved this. Second example, zinc carbonate, zinc oxide, carbon dioxide. These are given in word equation and we have to convert it into the chemical equation. So let us try to write their formula. See children, zinc carbonate, zinc contain 2 plus charge, carbonate CO3 2 minus children. So plus positive charge attract negative charge and plus 2 minus 2 will cancel. It forms ZnCO3. Easy children? Any problem? So it forms zinc oxide, Zn2 plus oxide oxygen पे 2 minus, plus 2 minus 2 will cancel. It form zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide is very easy for you children, CO2. Now balance the chemical equations. There is a 3 oxygen, there is a 3 oxygen, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, 1 zinc, 1 zinc. So it is already balanced children. Now the question is type of reaction. When a single product or when a substance broken down into 2 or more product, that will be decomposition reaction. Easy children? In previous lecture I have explained in detail. Now let's see the last example. Magnesium plus hydrochloric acid, it forms magnesium chloride hydrogen gas. Children, convert into the word equation. So magnesium state plus hydrochloric acid, you know it very well, HCl, aqueous in form. Now magnesium chloride. See children, magnesium atomic number 12 children. If we write their electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. Clear children? To become inert gas, sodium tries to give 2 electrons to the other. So whenever it denotes, it forms, if it is giving 2 electrons, it forms 2 plus. So magnesium contains 2 plus charge and there is a chloride. Chloride contains minus charge. Make the formula MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Clear children? Any problem? Now we have already converted in the word equation. Balance it children. There is a 2 hydrogen. There is a 1 hydrogen. There is a 2 hydrogen. Multiply by 2 here. So 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, and 1 magnesium. Balance it children. Now Let us find out which type of reaction is given there. See children, it is not combination reaction because there is a two reactant, two product, not decomposition reaction. Now, this is displacement reaction because we can see that magnesium is taking place of hydrogen in product. Yes or not? Because hydrogen is with chlorine, but in product chlorine is with magnesium. So, being a highly reactive metal, magnesium displaces the less reactive metal and forms magnesium chloride, a plus hydrogen gas. So, we can write displacement reaction. Now, today we have already completed this first chapter of class 10th, and now let us try to solve the remaining question which is given in NCERT book. Okay, goodbye children.